Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing East Facing 2 BHK house plan, and the total plot area is about 2400 square feet, that is 60 by 40, and the build-up area is about 800 square feet, and staircase area is 71 square feet. And this design utilizes a smaller footprint and larger plot and leaving expansive, auspicious open space in the north and east zones for excellent ventilation, parking, and positive energy flow. Let's get into the plan for detailed room by room Vastu explanation. Coming to the entrance and living spaces. Here we have our sit out of 14 feet by 7 feet and a welcoming east facing veranda that leads directly to the main door. Here we have our main door, and into the door we have our living room of size 12 feet 3 inches by 15 feet, a highly spacious central gathering area that naturally distributes foot traffic to the rest of the home. And we have our sofa location over here and a little dressing table in the corner. Coming to the kitchen and utility, and it is measured a size of 11 feet 6 inches by 6 feet 6 inches, and it is tucked neatly in the corner with a designated store rack and space. It is located in the southeast corner, that is Agni corner. It is an ideal place for a kitchen. And coming to the washing area, we have a washing area over here of size 2 feet 6 inches by 7 inches, and a highly functional exterior utility space located right beside the kitchen and the external staircase over here. And we have our service area, an internal transitional space that separates living quarters from the bathrooms and ensuring privacy and maintain hygiene. Over here we have the service area of size 12 feet 3 inches by 5 feet. And coming to the bedrooms, our master bedroom, and it is measured the size of 11 feet 6 inches by 10 feet, and the primary sleeping quarters located in the rear corner of the home and offering privacy and direct access to the central passage. It is located in the southwest corner, that is earth corner, Nairobi corner, and here we kept our bed sleeping position in the head position in the south. As per Vastu, it should be kept like that, and wardrobe in the west, which enhance wealth and prosperity to the family. And we have a little passage over here of size 5 feet 9 inches by 3 feet 6 inches between both the bedrooms. And in between we have a dedicated spiritual space accessed via small passage that is 5 feet 9 inches by 3 feet 6 inches I mentioned earlier. And we have our puja room of size 6 feet by 3 feet 6 inches, and it ensuring the prayer area remains quiet and undisturbed. It's here. And coming to the kids bedroom, we have our kids bedroom of size 11 feet 6 inches by 8 feet, a well proportionated secondary bedroom and situated between the kitchen and the master bedroom. Here also we kept a bed sleeping position in the south and wardrobe in the west for enhanced wealth and prosperity. And coming to the common toilet, we have our common toilet of size measuring 6 feet 6 inches by 8 feet 5 inches. And here we kept our commode pointed towards south. As per Vastu, it should be kept towards south or north, and here we kept towards south. A large shared bathroom. And coming to the Indian toilet over here, a secondary bathroom. And both the bathrooms are intelligently designed with loft storage area above the 7 feet lintel level to maximize vertical space. And northeast water element, we have our underground water tank or bore sump is here in the northeast corner, and it is measured the size of 10 feet by 6 feet. Is placed exactly in the northeast corner, that is Ishanya corner. This is the most highly recommended Vastu placement for underground water and believed to invite wealth and clarity. And as I mentioned, we kept as per Vastu our southeast portion fire element, we kept kitchen, and southwest master bedroom, that is the head of the family to rest on the Nairobi corner, we kept the same. And in the northwest air element, we have kept septic tank. It is measured the size of 8 feet by 6 feet and is correctly isolated in the northwest zone, that is Vayu corner, and this ensures waste and negative energy are kept entirely separate from the core living spaces and auspicious northeast zones. That's all with the overall plan. You can get more plans on our websites houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world. Our apps are available on the Google Play Store, Houseplans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, the Plannest and Designist apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 99520 290 632 to join. Thank you.